Hey people, it is Thursday, May the 26th. The time is 2:16 in the afternoon and it's currently 26 degrees Celsius, but with a humidex of 31 degrees Celsius. And I'm here walking down my block towards Gerrard St E, so I'll be making my way west along Gerrard Street to the new Ikea store that just recently opened on the corner of Yonge Street and Gerrard Street.
Tour buses around the block.
This is a urban format Ikea, I think the first of its kind in Canada. It has a smaller square footage than a more traditional suburban big box style Ikea stores, but in any case it's kind of cool to have an Ikea store right in the heart of the city. And while I don't think I'll personally be spending much time shopping there, I thought I'd just come and check it out. I'm not sure if there'll be a lineup or not. I know yesterday there was. And hopefully it'll be okay to take my camera in and just look around a bit. So we just turned onto Gerrard Street. And up ahead there you can see that very tall building. That is the Aura condominium, and the Ikea store is located at the base of that building. And I think it's around 60,000 square feet, which is quite a bit smaller than the more traditional 300 or 350,000 square feet stores that you find out in the more suburban locations.
اليوم اللي فزنا اكون انا اجازه او اخلص البيت ما هو شوفي الاحد اجازه على طول بس باقي الايام مو ثابته يعني مره اجازتي السبت واحد مره اجازتي اثنين واحد.
And if it does so happen that I do need to purchase something at this new store, it's literally just a very short walk of a few blocks back to my apartment. I don't think I'd even need to arrange a delivery. If I bring a dolly of some sort, I could probably wheel the item back to my place without too much trouble. And the clouds are looking a little bit threatening, but I don't think there's any rain in the forecast. I am planning a live stream for later on, so hopefully that won't be an issue. Here's Jarvis Street. And it's a bit breezy right now too. I'll let this guy go. Just passing by the Ryerson University campus, soon to be renamed Toronto Metropolitan University. And here's Church Street. And I think it's shaping up to be a fairly busy rush hour today. I'm getting the sense that in an hour or two there'll be chaos around downtown. And we're getting closer. A look into the Ryerson campus. And the construction workers are back after a 3-week strike that put a halt to all the high-rise construction projects around the city. And I see they have quite a crew here at work now on this new 84-story condominium that will be rising here. I believe that will be known as Concord Sky, and it will be taller than the Aura condominium right here where the Ikea store is by a good 10 floors. So there we are, there's the Ikea. And there doesn't seem to be a lineup.
Just from trying to turn it back, or unless we're walking all the way down. Well, this guy said come back in like 10, 15 minutes. Yeah. But I think
There's a look north up Yonge and south. check it out. Paige, it's great to see you. Alright, the security didn't hassle me. I think they're expecting a lot of people to be posting photo and video of the store in its opening week. And there's some music playing, so I'll just try to keep the banter going as much as I can. Although there's a lot of ambient noise inside the store, which is probably drowning most of it out. And self-checkouts. App checkout, actually.
They said they should have the bigger...
I think I made the right decision waiting a day or so before coming to check this out. I think yesterday would have been a madhouse, complete with long lineups. So let's check out this area. I have really no idea where I'm going. I'm just sort of wandering around here. I'm sure it's not much different than most other Ikeas that you see. Just a little more compact. Let's see if I can make my way up to another level. This music seems to be of a generic sort of quality. There's elevators and stairs. I don't see any escalators. And here we have the food area. Swedish deli. I think all the usual offerings are on location here that you'd find in any big suburban IKEA in terms of the food selection. The eating area. Let's go up another level. I think this is the largest level here in terms of square footage. I think this is where the old Bed Bath & Beyond store was. That store never seemed to really thrive, even though it's in the heart of downtown. It was never dead anytime I would come in to look around, but it wasn't exactly bustling either. So, got more app checkouts. I don't know if I can just walk through this area. And that goes outside to the escalators. There are a number of other retailers here in this large commercial podium at the base of the condo tower. There's also a Marshall's store and I believe a large gym. And down in the lower levels there's a struggling Bizarro mall, which I featured on my channel a few times. This space does look familiar as I remember it when it was Bed Bath & Beyond. Let's take a look at this TV area. I guess I'm somewhat of a typical dude in that whenever I'm in a store that sells any sort of TVs or electronics, I immediately gravitate to that area. Although I'm not sure if Ikea sells those things, or they're just part of the display. I have a feeling they don't sell TVs. I've actually only ever been in one other Ikea store, and that's the one up in Vaughan. It's a suburban community north of Toronto. That's a fake laptop. And the air conditioning is working very well. Times Square. Let's take a look outside. This is Gerrard Street. That's the Chelsea Hotel across the street. And who's that weirdo? I think there's another window up here where we can get a look up Yonge Street. The view is better on the next level up, of course, in the Marshall store. I'm not sure if we'll be able to get a look out the window here. We're not quite at Yonge Street. I think the checkouts over here are taking up the space. That would be where Yonge Street is. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. I found myself in a nice little nook over here. No, can't quite make it all the way to Yonge Street, but that's the intersection of Yonge and Gerrard. Some of these areas still smell like they're just freshly painted. I think some parts of the store are still a bit of a work in progress. The new family nest. There we go, a complete bedroom for $13.79. It's not bad. Oh, okay, here we go. We can look at Yonge Street down here. There's a neat bed for the kiddies. Sort of looks like my nephew's old bedroom when they were little. And more beds for the kids. We got some bathroom stuffs. Pretty much everything you'd need, really, to completely furnish your home or apartment. So now let's see if I can make my way out of here. You see the stairs I came up. Alright, let's head back down. There's an exit directly from this level that will take you into the lobby of the commercial spaces, but I'll just go back down the way I came. Yeah, there's a definite new store smell. I might have missed a few nooks and crannies here and there, but I think we've got a good look at most of what the store offers.
Okay, you want to switch? This is something. Oh, did you? Oh, you just...
And here we are, back at Yonge and Gerrard. So, that was it. The new Ikea. Quite the busy place. So I'm going to make my way up to Yonge and College because I'll be getting on the subway there momentarily. And you can see all the other establishments here. You can see that gym is called Crunch Fitness. I think originally the gym in this complex was owned by Madonna. It was a chain of gyms owned by Madonna, but for some reason that one did not last. There's a look into College Park. And the humidity is really kicked in big time. I think by the time I'm finished my live stream later this afternoon, I'll be completely drenched. Here's Yonge College. I could enter the subway station right here at College Park, but I think I'll enter over here. Just to show a different way to get into the station that I haven't shown on my channel often. Here's Carlton Street. And I'll go down this one. Feels much cooler here. So I have to load up my Presto card, so I will do that as I start to wrap up the video. See if I can find it in my pocket.
Folks watching, he's recording. He's recording, hey! Sir? He's recording people.
I'm not recording people. What are you talking about? I am not.
You were just doing it. You were just having
Ay, ay, ay. Go over here. There we... I was not doing any such thing. Oh my god. I'm just doing a transit video showing how to load your Presto card. That's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing. Jeez. Alright, well, I'm going to wrap up this video because people are accusing me of trying to record them to steal their banking information. Complete lunacy. So I hope you enjoyed this walk along Gerrard Street to the new Ikea store. Well, we looked all around and then here to College Station. I'll be getting on the train very shortly. So leave a comment below if you enjoyed the walk and the tour of the new store. And be sure to like and share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And also make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos. And if you'd like to support the channel, there are links in the description where you can do so via PayPal and via my merch store. And you can also find me on Instagram under KContinuum. So thanks for watching, and be sure to keep checking back because, as always, I will continue. And there's no way that recording this whole process shows anything to do with your banking information anyway. Now on to the train.